in lo dam tlang vek ka pe se he vo in chu ka thiannu merely na tho pui Filipino ten an birthday a fapa de kumthum alo tling ve don to awangin an birthday lawmna min soma kan kal me ka kan hun man dan te kan clear house zel don nia. Hey ka thiannu Filipino te na birthday lom tong angkal don in nei nuam to pan pa hi ta American mi nia hela zo point la chalo hle me. That's cute. It's beautiful. Hunan nei nuam hle me hen in nung lampang ania ipute kangkal thame kani. Hey really. All the balloon. This is my friend Akil. Oh, my work partner. Here is the birthday cake. Hey, Filipino food. Are you excited to try Filipino food? They have, I don't know, these are like adobo, I think. Yeah. Look at that. They have everything. Yeah. They even have burgers. You want some spoon? Akil, look this side.
Hello.
Enjoy. Today is Bas birthday,
Yeah,
and happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Yeah.
Everything. Yeah.
Hey, sahwag po an Ave.
Thank you.
Everything's Hey, dihian alta kan Hilvel how ka? Apedo na birthday party local di ka?
It's pretty incredible. Birthday.
Here is our birthday boy.
Let's not do that.
When I go. Hey God, I'm on.
Tree.
Yeah. Watch the pinata. There's gonna be candy come out.
Hurry, just pull it. Pull it down. Pull one down. Put on.
Here, one more. Yeah, it's more fun. Helai mi hin an basa birthday present niya. Kay mani how chuan in poisa in kan perfect kan in chu poisa han du zo kan ano pang te ni wang khan adu zong kan shed mai lo wangin. Something something. Oh!
There you go.
Don't run so fast!
All right, that sounds good. I'll see you later.
Birthday boy! Ate, you need help? Here. Oh.
I don't have my phone.
It's okay. Place to drive around, boy. Here.
I don't have. Ready? Thank you. Okay. Here. I want to see how much.
He's here, he's here. Oh my God. Bus, bus. Here, I'm going up.
I don't have my phone, so for
It's beautiful, right? Here, look at that. Here is Akil, who is taking care of my back the whole time. Thank you. Do not let us.
Defender of all the valuables.
กระเบียดเขียนเก่งกว่าเก่งกว่าเก่งเก่ง Okay.
I'll let you go. Yes.
Thank you, Te, for inviting us. All the food is so good. Hey, min hon tirbo ka. She give us some to take home. She's my co-worker from Philippines. Inan na inuam siya. Your house is beautiful. It's okay enough, Tete. This is the famous Merc. Oh. Hey, hon nem to khop me. She's giving us more food. Yeah, some of the chicken. Ate, thank you so much. No, don't do a lot. It's just him. Yeah, that's a lot already. Yeah.
I need to give you
A plastic bag. Yeah. There we go. Kan hon nem top. Yeah. Thank you, Te. Thank you. See you soon. Tuesday, right? See you tomorrow.
Oh, very good.
Thank you. He will be so happy, Job. Oh, look at this. And so nem khop me hey. Tam sia car point. Did you have fun?
I did, yes.
Me
It
too.
was a beautiful day.
I eat a lot.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yes. All the good food.
All the good food.
Even more.
Hen veng hi nuam ro top. Ta ni chu.
We got parked in the shade, so we didn't need all.
Bye bye vek gu. Next video kay mule don ya.